Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I would like to tell you about a very famous course to prepare IELTS writing test. And especially this course is offered by British Council free of cost. So let me tell you about the content of this course. This course is 3 weeks long and you have to give it 3 hours per week. It will be so easy to understand and so easy to grasp. The topics you will cover under this course are academic writing test, writing task types, graphs and charts, the academic essay writing, and the steps you should do on the test day. To find the course, just click on the link in the video description and you will come to this web page. As I mentioned earlier, this course is offered by the British Council and the name of this course is Understanding IELTS Writing. It has a very good reviews, 4.9 under 170 reviews, and you can join this for free. I mentioned earlier that the course duration is 3 weeks and you have to give it 3 hours per week. It is free of cost. If you want to learn more about IELTS, its stuff, its material, then you can buy a subscription of $54 here. Okay, let me show you overview of this course. This is the overview. You can easily write 3 or 4 paragraphs here, and then there are some topics. These will be the topics that you will cover under this course. You can easily read out all of these. Starting date, let's check the start dates. As you can see, it is available now and you can join today. This course is started from the 6th July 2020 and now you can easily join today and your week start when you join this course. These will be some achievers that you can achieve after completing this course. Okay, let's check some requirements. Who is this course for? They said this course is designed for everyone preparing for International English Language Testing System IELTS test. IELTS teacher will also find it very useful. So it means that this course is also designed for the teachers who teach IELTS. And this man, Neil McLaren, will be your teacher, your guide for this course. Let's check some learners views. These are the views from some learners. They are highly recommended that you read out this before starting this course. There are some other courses that you can also join free of cost. This website offers so many courses free of cost and you can join simply by registering or by creating sign up on this website. Okay, now let's join this course for free. As I mentioned earlier that there are some subscriptions you can avail, but right now we will join this free of cost. So click on join free. So this is the registration form. You can fill out your information, your name, your age, and then click on register. I have already registered here. So let me sign in to show you the content of this course. Click on sign in. See the message, you have already joined this course. Before making this tutorial, I joined this course already. So click on this go to course. When you sign in, you will find all the content of this course here. Currently week 1 is going on and you can join this course right now. You should spend enough time to understand the writing tips and techniques required for IELTS writing test. You can also go beyond 3 hours per week. There is no issue in it. You can also note your activity and your progress by clicking on the relevant tabs here. This is the activity and this is the progress tab. And as soon as you start watching these videos, this progress is increasing slowly. And that's it. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.